I'm now going to be painting my raised beds with this Thorndown wood paint. The beds are made of railway sleepers with decking boards on top, and originally I painted them the same as the decking. The problem with that is everything in my garden is really dark. The planting behind is really dark, so what I need to do is brighten things up a little bit. It's a decent big area which will brighten things up, but it's not huge. So I'm actually going to paint it in a block colour, solid block colour, by using this limestone, a really light colour. It's going to take 2 coats. What's great is the first coat is touch dry within an hour, so I'll be able to do a second coat pretty quickly with the Thorndown paint. I finished the raised beds and it only took 2 coats. Well, hey! The space here looks brilliant already, just with the raised beds, the fact that they're now this limestone colour offset against my man cave, which is, you know, the beautiful birch stain. I couldn't be happier with the result so far.